As the world continues to evolve in the digital age, making money online has become more accessible and diverse than ever before. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time income, or a path to financial freedom, the internet offers a multitude of opportunities. In this guide, we'll explore various ways to make money online in 2024. From freelancing and e-commerce to content creation and online investments, we'll delve into the strategies and tools you need to succeed. Chapter 1: The Digital Landscape in 2024. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and it's crucial to understand the current state of affairs to make informed decisions about how to make money online. This chapter will provide an overview of the digital world in 2024, touching on trends, emerging technologies, and the ever-evolving online consumer behavior. It's essential to have this contextual understanding as a foundation for your online ventures. Chapter 2: Freelancing and the Gig Economy. Freelancing has exploded in popularity in recent years, and it's poised to continue its growth in 2024. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or possess any other skill, there are platforms that can connect you with clients from around the world. We'll delve into the world of freelancing, offering tips on how to get started, build a portfolio, and secure high-paying gigs. Chapter 3: E-commerce and online marketplaces. The world of e-commerce has experienced exponential growth, with no signs of slowing down. Online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify have made it easier than ever to start your own online store. In this chapter, we'll explore the steps to launch and market your e-commerce business, emphasizing the importance of product selection, branding, and customer service. Chapter 4: Affiliate Marketing, Earning Through Promotion. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model that enables you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. We'll discuss how to choose profitable niches, select the right affiliate programs, and create effective marketing strategies. Additionally, we'll look at the role of content creation and SEO in affiliate marketing success. Chapter 5: Online Content Creation and Monetization. If you have a passion for writing, video production, podcasting, or any other form of content creation, 2024 is an exciting time for you. This chapter will explore the diverse opportunities available to content creators, including YouTube monetization, blogging, podcast sponsorship, and more. Learn how to build and engage with your audience while monetizing your creative efforts. Chapter 6: Online Courses and Digital Products. Education is no longer confined to classrooms. In 2024, you can monetize your expertise by creating and selling online courses, ebooks, templates, and other digital products. We'll guide you through the process of developing valuable content, setting up a platform, and marketing your products to a global audience. Chapter 7: Cryptocurrency and Online Investments. The world of online investments is evolving rapidly, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained immense popularity. We'll discuss the basics of cryptocurrency investing, including how to buy, store, and trade digital assets. Additionally, we'll explore other online investment opportunities such as stocks, bonds, and peer-to-peer lending. Chapter 8: Remote Work and Virtual Jobs. The remote work revolution has reshaped the employment landscape, allowing individuals to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This chapter will explore remote job opportunities in various fields, offer tips on job hunting, and discuss the skills needed to succeed in a remote work environment. Chapter 9: Online Consultation and Coaching. If you possess specialized knowledge or skills, you can monetize them by offering online consultation and coaching services. We'll delve into the process of setting up a consultancy business, finding clients, and delivering value through your expertise. Chapter 10: Building Your Online Brand and Presence. In the digital world, your online presence is your brand. In this final chapter, we'll discuss the importance of personal branding and provide actionable strategies for building and maintaining a strong online presence. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or content creator, your brand's reputation can significantly impact your success. Conclusion: the year 2024 presents a myriad of opportunities to make money online, but success in the digital realm requires dedication, adaptability, and a willingness to learn. Whether you choose to freelance, start an e-commerce business, create content, invest online, or explore any of the other avenues discussed in this guide, the key is to take action and continuously refine your approach. As you embark on your online money-making journey, remember that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, persistence, and a commitment to providing value to your audience or clients. Keep in mind that the digital landscape is always evolving, so staying informed and adaptable is essential to your long-term success. In 2024, the possibilities for making money online are virtually limitless. With the right strategies, mindset, and perseverance, you can turn your online ventures into a sustainable source of income and achieve your financial goals in the digital age.